Hey everybody, it's Xana Pea, and this is a makeup transformation brought to you by J.Cat Beauty. J.Cat Beauty is an LA-based brand. It's cruelty-free, it's high quality for a fraction of a price. Everything that I use for this makeup transformation is from J.Cat Beauty. If you want to try their products personally, you can go to the second floor of Uptown Mall, BGC, whatever that is, because I don't really know where that is. And for the girls who are from Davao City, Cebu City, ug asa pang city nga layo sa Manila, you can still try the J.Cat Beauty products by going to www.jcatbeautyph.co and shop online. Hope you learned something from this tutorial and have fun as much as I did. If you decide to recreate this look or try out the products that you see in this video, please post that on your social media and follow at JCatBeautyPH on Facebook and Instagram. Tag them and include the hashtag MakeupKittens and JCatBeautyNowInPH, and you might be the next makeup kitten. Before we start the tutorial, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel because you will see more awesome videos in the near future. And when I say in the near future, so na gid na, promise mag-active na gid ka, mga bes. And comment down below for questions, requests, mga other videos na gusto nyo makita from me in the coming days, weeks. Oy, days ug weeks na ihapon. Char! Sa pa ba? Para man siguro? That's it? Okay, let's start with the tutorial. First things first, we have to remove our makeup. Here I'm using Gonfinity, which is a very powerful eye and lip makeup remover. One small thin sheet was enough to remove all of my makeup. One tub has 38 sheets, which is definitely more than enough to go to my travel kit. To remove the oil residue, I washed my face and moisturized thereafter. I brushed and fixed my eyebrows up using this latex-free clear eyelash glue. Straight and low set brow is a Kylie no. For my base, I used this Cushion Compact in Sand. I applied it sheerly just to even out my skin tone and to get its skincare properties. For the foundation, I customized the color to achieve a more tan look by mixing a dark and lighter shade of their HD Skin Sealer foundation. This habit is most helpful when you're not sure of the shade to buy, or when you're a makeup artist and you want your kit to cater to a wider clientele. This foundation has a buildable light to medium coverage. Love that it is dispensed from an airless pump. It means there will be no single drop of foundation wasted. Next, I used the yellow cream from their Contour Quad to conceal my eyebrows, then set it with their Mineral Compact Powder in Ivory. To outline my new high arch brows, I used this Duo Brow Pencil in Charcoal, and with light feathered strokes, I'm giving myself a new pair of brows. Then this Brow Amazing Duo in Brown to further define my brows. Went back to the same concealer palette to serve as an eyelid primer and set that with Ivory Powder. Then I used a darker shade of their Mineral Compact Powder in Cinnamon for a matte brown transition shade. Lifting my brows up helped in giving me more lid space like Kylie's. Dragging the same brown color to contour my nose. Then I picked up the orange shade from their Fab 5 Bare and Lush palette. Concentrated the color on the outer and inner corner of my eyes and blending it upwards to the brow bone. I noticed that Kylie is more inclined to the warm shade, which is pretty obvious even in her Kylie eyeshadow palette. Next, we deepen our crease using the darker shade from the Bronze Creature palette. I use a smaller blending brush to really go in that eye socket. Then I pack on the second shade on the middle part of my eyes. Most of Kylie's recent eye looks are monochromatic and on the warmer side. Just blend your eyeshadow seamlessly and even ditch your winged eyeliner. Nowadays, she's all about luscious lashes through eyelash extensions. Oh, by the way, here I'm using the dark brown from the brow kit to further intensify and emphasize that higher eyelid line. Just blending everything, and now back to the lash talk. Tight line using a jet black gel liner. For those of you who have commitment issues and are afraid to try eyelash extensions, you can try reverse eyelash application using your regular falsies. Divide your falsies into 2 or 4, allow the glue to be tacky, and stick it under your lash line. And because I'm stupid, I lost my footage, but here's Irish to the rescue. Then I added another layer of light foundation on my highlight areas, blending that with a BB sponge and now setting it with a mineral powder in ivory. Notice how my lashes look naturally amazing. Doing the reverse application conceals the lash band. Thus, the falsies really look like our own lashes. Now, what is a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup without contouring? Here I'm using the same powder in cinnamon, trying to make my small Asian nose work and making my own baby butt chin. And adding a slight flush using this blush in Sweetheart. So pretty. After blush, bless your face with this beautiful big bronzer in Bora Bora Beach. Just blend everything well because the bake face and cake face is so yesterday. This bronzer was so good, I was feeling it so much. Another favorite of mine from J.Cat is this Velvet Touch Waterproof Gel Lip Liner. It was so difficult to choose a color, but in the end I went with So Fond of You. Definitely this lip liner is matte, long-lasting, glides very smooth, velvety, and it's perfect on its own. And yep, I just added a fake shadow on my lower lip. And doing the same thing for my upper lip and adding more highlight to further emphasize the plumpiness of my fake overdrawn lips. For that, I'm using this gel liner and show goes on. You glow, girl! Look at this beauty! Their big highlighters are so dreamy I couldn't pick just one, so I got Moonlight and Crystal Sand. And just lighting up these points and giving so much detail to these butt cheeks. Well, we're almost done with this Kylie Jenner inspired look. But of course, for an overall kabam, we can't forget her long black hair extensions. I added 3 pieces of 5-clip extension to my head and faked my hairline using this duo brow powder in charcoal. And to make it more realistic, I used the Velvet Touch black gel liner to draw some hair streaks. And this concludes my celebrity lookalike transformation into Kylie Jenner. Decided not to look like her clone, but at least to pass as her Asian half-sister. And sorry, I was lying. It's not the end. I needed more highlight. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and again, thank you very much J.Cat Beauty PH for sending me awesome products to help me become a bombshell, at least in a video. Follow at J.Cat Beauty PH on their social media accounts, and of course at Xana Pea on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time.